Hi, my name is Teodora, and I'm the creator of the course Content Writing for the Web of People and Machines. In this video, I want to give you a brief overview of the concepts in the course, the mindset, and what to expect from taking the course. First of all, this course is built on my practical experience as a content writer, and it is also created based on what I learned, what I researched during my PhD about digital marketing communications and semantic web technologies. So, in the first place, expect no growth hacks, no viral formulas. This is a solid background about the shift we're all experiencing in the content realm. And throughout the course, I have created a flow where I'm communicating, and this is my idea for you to learn and understand yet a different perspective about the idea that content is an artifact of marketing communications. Of course, it is a lot more, and you will go through this, but in the first place, for effective, sustainable content writing, for creating ecosystems of content, I really think we should understand content in the greater perspective of the changes, tectonic changes we're going through thanks to the web. We'll talk about AI-mediated communication. We will talk about marketing communication, how it changes us as content people, how it changed us as users, the way we access content and use content. I don't want to go into theoretical explanations too much because that's meant for an overview. So let me walk you through the sections. In the first section of the course, I'm setting the space for us to understand the new content writing environment. We'll talk about the multimodal page. We'll talk about the distracted yet very empowered user. Just think about yourself and how you browse the web. And also, we'll talk about the multifaceted text and, of course, its algorithmic audiences. Everything is explained in the course, and although it might sound a bit too theoretical, I really think this is a solid basis for writing more and worrying less about AI content, about the lack of ideas. What should we write about? How should we write? Why? In the second section, that's the major part of the course. It's setting the basics through the lens of seeing content from several different perspectives, which is marketing communications, organizational communication, dialogic communication, metadata, SEO, of course, search engine optimization. You also will have exercises where you can apply what you learned. And although they might seem trivial, when you get to writing them and when you get to applying the perspectives you see in the course, you will yourself feel that your text is growing richer because of that larger understanding and perspective. Section 3, my favorite part, metadata. Metadata is a love note to the future. It is the vehicle of our texts. We'll talk about tags, about meta descriptions, and how we can put that cherry on top of our content so that we make it visible discoverable, manageable. The last two sections are about content writing, semantic capital, and knowledge management. The reason I'm bringing those here is again because of this larger perspective. No text exists alone. No text, especially in business environment, is per se. It is always woven out of business logic, out of different organizational threads, out of concepts that are part of the fabrics of the organization. And this is where I talk about AI content. I give frameworks and I also give an example about how we can use slow thinking to feed AI generated content. Because yes, we will use AI inevitably. We are already using it. All of our colleagues probably are using it. But that's not the point of content writing. It's not yet another prompt, yet another template here and there. It is about thinking and about connecting. And for that part, you don't need an AI. You need your beautiful brain and the connections you can think through so that you can manifest in your text. Last but not least, I'll talk about knowledge graphs um, because they are truly changing the way we should think about our content and write our content. I do have frameworks for that also. You will see them in the course. And I hope that video was something that you will use to understand more about the course and feel whether this course is for you or you would rather uh, wait with it. Thanks for watching. I really hope to see you in the course. Have a wonderful day ahead.